In this video, I'll let you know how to measure blood sugar correctly at home in just 3 steps. And last one is very important, so make sure to watch it carefully. To measure sugar, you need a glucose meter like this. This one is from UL, as you can see, but every device is almost similar, so you don't have to worry about that. And also a needle like this, and a chip and a lancet. You can buy these two in a pharmacy, and this will come with the device itself. And the first step is to wash your hand and dry it properly. After that, the second step is to set up the device. Now to set up a device, here you can see a open space here, as you can see. Now you need to put this chip inside this open area. To put this chip, here you can see a black stripe, like as you can see here, there is a black stripe. You should put in this way. The stripe should face upward and you should put it like this. And as you can see, the device is on. But if you put it in opposite way, the device won't show anything or it won't work. So make sure to put it properly like this. Now as you can see, the device is on, and here you can see here is a blood sign, which means the device is ready to operate. After that, open this lancet. As you can see, it is divided into 3 parts: first, second and third. Hold it on the second part. If you hold it on the first part, as you can see here is a number showing from 1 to 5. I will tell later what's the use of this. So hold it on the second part and rotate it like this and it will open. And now take the needle, and as you can see, the needle is divided into 2 parts, the upper and lower. Put the lower part like this and fit it properly like this. And after fitting it, remove the cap by twisting it like this. Be careful because the needle is revealed. Now put the cap on. And now to operate it, pull this trigger like this. Now it is ready to launch. And the last step, which is the main one, here you can see the number from 1 to 5. It depends on person to person. Some need 1 if they have thin skin, but someone need 5 if they had thick skin. Now I'm using the 3, so it depends person to person. Now press this button, and as you can see, here is a blood. Now make sure to drop this blood in this chip. As you can see, here is a small chip. Make sure to drop it here. And as you can see, here is the timer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the blood sugar is 110. And after using it, make sure to write it on a paper and take this chip out from the device. And also make sure to dispose this needle properly. To dispose it, open it like this. And here you can see the lever. Just push it and the needle is out. Now to dispose it properly, put the cap on like this again, so that it won't puncture others finger. Now you can also put it on this type of bag, both of them properly. Okay, you can throw it.